Ooh, I don't like that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video we are doing a Nigerian food mukbang. So if you guys want to eat your dinner with me and hang out with me for a little bit, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications and let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so I'm really excited to eat because I've never tried Nigerian food, and I've been seeing a lot of Nigerian food mukbangs. It always looks so freaking good when you're grabbing the fufu and everything. And also, disclaimer, if I'm mispronouncing anything, just let me know in the comments down below. Don't be afraid to correct me because I'm not super knowledgeable on how to pronounce all of these things and stuff, but I'm gonna let you guys know what I have. I have jollof rice. This is puff puff, which I know of because I watched the McClure twins family and their mom is Nigerian, so I remember she made a video on how to make this actually. This is okra. This is goat. This is EGUSI. Right, and this is chicken. So yeah, and of course this is fufu, and this is the yams one. I don't know if there's multiple yams ones or anything, but yeah, I didn't get anything special to drink. I just have some Pepsi here that I had left over from another video I did, so that's what I'm gonna be drinking. I've only had Ethiopian food before. I kind of had a it was like a spongy kind of like thing. If I remember, I'm gonna put it on the screen somewhere if I can find like the name of it or something, but I don't have the name of it off the top of my head. But it was like a spongy thing, and then it had like all of the, it was like a platter type thing, and I liked it, and then after a while I didn't like the taste of the dough. So I hope I like fufu better than that. It was kind of like a grayish color though. So the first thing I'm gonna try is the rice actually, and I know this is supposed to be like hand eating, but I just could not get myself to eat rice with my hands. Like my grandma actually does that sometimes, but I just oh, that is good. That is mad good. You guys, hold on. It was mad good. It honestly reminds me of like Spanish rice, but it has like a spice to it. Oh, my hair is wet because I'm actually gonna put, I think this is kind of like a dessert because it's considered like your donut, puff puff. I've been wanting to try this since I saw Ami make this in her video. But what was I gonna say? Oh, my hair is wet because I just washed it and I didn't feel like diffusing it and adding heat to it today, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna come on camera like this. And I put like really light makeup on because I'm kind of like, you guys, it really doesn't matter. Okay, if I could just figure out how to open this. Yeah, this is a different texture than the thing that I had before. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, I'm going for goat first. Actually, I'm just gonna try the sauce first. I get it. This is good. The seasoning that the goat has actually reminds me of something I've eaten before, actually. Why is it called fufu? That's good. I really like goat too, like in general. I like the idea of like eating with your hands. Like well, it's cultural to eat with your hands. But like, I don't know, sometimes, especially since I'm in front of a camera and stuff, I get a little self-cautious of like eating with my hands. And then it's like some things like rice, I can't eat with my hands. My grandma actually, like, I always see her eating with her hands. Like, she'll literally take like, I don't know, goat and take a piece of it and eat it like, just eat it like that. Just right, everything is good though. And everything kind of like, the goat has a little spice to it. The rice has a little spice to it. This, honestly, the way I can explain it, kind of reminds me of like if potatoes, like doughy potato. You know what I mean? Like it has that kind of like texture. It kind of tastes like a potato type of thing. The time I tried Ethiopian food, it was when I went to DC. Injera, is I-N-J-E-R-A. Oh no, it's the teff. That's the spongy thing that I didn't like. And the way that they serve it, I'll post a picture. It's like, if you guys don't know, maybe you guys do know. It's like they put all the meats and stuff like on top of it. Yeah, so I tried that when I went to DC because they have a bunch of Ethiopian restaurants over there. And I remember like I liked it. I really liked like the meats and stuff. And the spongy, like the teff, I was kind of like, It's not, like the texture kind of bothered me too, and I'm really big on texture. The texture kind of bothered me, and then I was like, it kind of got to me too much. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. What does that have in it? Why? Why do I not like that? Hold on. All right. Apparently, EGUSI is like, it comes with, like, it's made from like a seed, beans, and it has fish and stuff in it too. I don't like the flavor of it though. Like, I honestly, I want to try it for you guys again just to make sure, but I almost really don't want to. Like, and please don't take this offensive. Like, if any of you guys are Nigerian and this is your food and stuff, like, I'm not trying to offend anybody. Like, this is your cultural food. I'm gonna try it again. Or maybe it's just this restaurant, maybe. I don't like it. I can't eat that. I'm sorry. Sorry, you guys. To me, there's something about it that has like a bitter taste. I'm not sure where it's coming from, but it's like a really, really, really bitter taste. If you guys know, let me know in the comments down below. Now, I'm excited for chicken because chicken is chicken. Actually, I'm gonna try some of the okra with the fufu. I love okra. I know a lot of people don't like okra because of its texture and everything, but I love okra. Okra is yummy. It just kind of looks like smushed okra. That's good stuff. Okra is good stuff. You guys, I really expected to like the EGUSI because when I've watched mukbangs, everybody loves it. I just can't get into it. I'm gonna try the chicken now. I'm not gonna try the sauce. I'm just gonna go for the actual chicken. Now chicken, fire, 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 fire. My favorite thing so far has definitely got to be the goat though. Is the goat. Oh no, I like the rice too though. This morning was tough for me. I had some green tea and then I got really nauseous. And then I couldn't get anything done. I got nauseous to the point where I had to lay down because I was that nauseous. I'm making a mess, can't go. I'm making a mess, can't go. And it kind of just took away from my day. I didn't get as much done as I wanted to get done, but I'm here. I'm here. That tends to happen with green tea. It was pretty annoying. I hate feeling nauseous. And I'm the type of person where I'd rather not, throw up. I'd rather not. So, I just won't. And I know some people is like, oh, but you'll feel better if you just, get it out. I'm not doing that. The chicken is good. My good. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried African food before. I've only ever tried Ethiopian. Once. I feel like I've had this rice before, but I'm not sure. As you know, it's the first time I'm trying Nigerian food, which is fire. I'm glad. I hope, maybe this is not even the best, Maybe obviously it depends on what restaurant you get it from. Maybe it could even be better than this, and that'll be freaking amazing. Right now, this stuff is good though. Like, it is bomb.com. Like, I'm not kidding. All right, I know I didn't finish my dinner, and this is considered to be like donuts. Puff Puff is considered to be like, like donut, but I'm still gonna eat it now because I want to see. That's good. I wish it was softer. This is good. By the way, you guys, I know I haven't been like a great mukbanger because I haven't showed y'all the food like this. That's the chicken. This is the goat. This is EGUSI. This is the jollof rice. I'm gonna show you the FUFU. And then this is Puff Puff, which I actually really like. You guys, we have a new president in America. Hallelujah. It almost feels unreal sometimes. Well, it just happened, but it feels unreal because it's just like, oh my god, I feel like this guy's gonna come back and just do some weird shit or something. Like, that's how much trauma he's like created. Like, I'm scared. I don't know. I don't think he's done yet. I feel like life is stressful as it is because of, like personal shit and whatever else people got going on. For there to be such horrible people like 45 that just make the world and everything, our world over here in America, just annoying. Harder. For what? Remember what mama told me. kind of annoyed I haven't been able to post on TikTok recently because I've been so busy filming. And it's not yet in my nature to be like, oh, TikTok. You know what I mean? Like, I still forget about it sometimes. Like, oh, I have TikTok. I'm new on there, so it's going to take me some time to grow a good following there. I'm not worried about it, though. But I know I should actually be posting a lot more. And I will. I just gotta keep, like, I have to remember, you know what I mean? Soon it's gonna be like second nature, but it's like I just got consistent with Snapchat and YouTube. Honestly, it's not easy trying to balance all social media accounts. It's always something that you have to do for all of them, and you have to stay consistent. So it becomes like, hold on, what do I have to do for that one? Producing content takes a lot of energy within itself. And I'm not saying that to complain about anything because I'm super grateful. It's just like a matter of the fact, like I'm just saying, this is actually, you know, what happens. But like if I'm posting a video, how is that hard? You're just sitting down and eating. It's like, it's not that it's hard. It's that I have to kind of look presentable. Then I have to, you know, presentation. And then I have to keep thinking of something to talk about. It's not anything that's like, oh my gosh, like, you know, it's so hard, I can't do it type of thing. It's not. I'm really grateful to be doing it and to sit here and have this be like my career and everything. You know, doing it every day, it gets tiring, and you kind of have to do it every day, especially if you have a goal like mine, which is to post every day. You have to do it every day, and if you're not producing content, then you're editing. Like, I'm editing or producing content. It's never a free day. In general, it's just entrepreneurship. It's a part of it. Like when you have a boss, when you're working for someone, it's like they're gonna tell you to clock out. You have a certain schedule. And it's just like, okay, when you work for yourself, you kind of just, you know that you're the one that has to get it done. So it's like you never really like take the time off kind of thing. We're always working. I work more than 8 hours a day. Even if I start late, even if I don't have to wake up early, I'll work all the way to like midnight, 1, 2, and there's just no off time. But that's why it is important for us to take the off time for ourselves, because otherwise it's just gonna crash at a certain time, and that's not gonna be good for anybody. So I do make it my business to, you know, have some self-care in my days, or at least have some days where I'll just put myself first. And you know, yeah. Like when I know I have something to do that day, like I know I'm gonna have an off day because I'm gonna be around family or something, I'm not gonna get a lot of work done, then I make sure to just get a lot of work done before then so I can actually enjoy my time off. And I used to do that even when I was in school. I used to try to get all my homework done, all my big projects done on Friday, so I could have my weekend off. Not only that, especially in college, because college was a lot. When I knew I had something coming up, then I'll just make sure to get like my work done so I could like really enjoy the time off, you know? And it also makes you like push harder to get the work done. It's good. It's like rewarding yourself. So if I take time off for whatever reason, like I have something going on or whatever it is, and I know I didn't get my work done, I can't enjoy it the same. Constantly thinking about work. And nobody wants to do that. I think I'm done, y'all. I'm gonna have like a little bit more rice, another one of the puff puffs. All right, you guys, that is gonna be the end of my mukbang, but I'm extremely I'm extremely full right now. Everything was good. If I had to rate it from my favorite to my least favorite, my favorite is the rice, and then the goat, and then chicken, then okra, then puff puff. But I kind of really like the puff puff. Okay, besides, let's take the puff puff out because that's like a whole different entity, right? Let's talk about the real food. Food too, let's take it out because it's like, I'm talking about like these parts, like, no, the other foods. Rice is my favorite, the goat is my second favorite, chicken is my third, okra is my fourth, and then the EGUSI. I really didn't like it. I think maybe it's just from this particular restaurant, but I really just, it has a really, really bitter taste. So for those of you that have had it, let me know in the comments down below if it's supposed to taste like that or this restaurant just messed it up. The FUFU is good. It honestly, like, I could think of a bunch of things that I actually want to eat the FUFU with. Like, I want to include it in my certain meals. And of course the puff puff was good. I'm actually gonna probably make this on my own sometime. Maybe I can make that a video. I really enjoyed it. It was my first time trying Nigerian food, and honestly, I would order it again. For a fact, I would definitely order it again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed having dinner with me. This is my dinner, so I hope you guys were eating something during this mukbang. And if you were, let me know in the comments down below, even if it's a simple treat or anything like that. Or if you were drinking something, then also let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys would like to see more mukbangs, then recommend me some meals and stuff in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Follow me on TikTok and turn on post notifications, and let's have the whole list of everything. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!